Alright, hello everybody. So, one, it's been a while since I last uploaded. Two, well, I'm gonna try to do this daily thing where, okay, so first, yeah, I got a bird. There's a cage in the bird. So I'm gonna try to do this daily thing where I keep you guys up in touch with my bird. It doesn't have a name yet, but we're thinking between Ari, Stella, and Sky for the names. So if I remember two, I'm probably going to put a poll to vote. Just, Yeah, so right now, quite a nice bird. This isn't the first day we've had the bird. We got her yesterday at around 2, 3, 4-ish. So we've had her for about a day now. And yeah, I'm going to try to do this every day. Not going to take up too much time. Want to say hi? Look at her. Isn't she beautiful? Nice bird. Yeah, okay. Well, here's a quick little, I guess, a cage tour. Obviously here we have my bird. Sorry, welcome to MVT Cribs, bird edition. So first, obviously, we got, have a tray for, this is where this kind of litter, I guess. It's actually cat litter, but we're just using it because it works. We have the treat. We have just some like cut up spinach and carrots and a banana. Obviously, water bowl, food bowl. She decided to spill some stuff. Maybe if you weren't so dirty. No, I love birds. We have a little toy. There's like little bells. I don't know if you can like spin. I'm sorry, did I scare you? Yeah, see, like that. We have the main entrance. It's a little door that we can pop in and out. We have to use this to put in the water and food bowls because this little hatch right here actually doesn't fit, because if you look right here, there's like these little things on the side. So that actually keeps it from being able to get in and out of this little door. Same thing on this side. Open it in and out. Little holder. You would just kind of pop this out. The door would open. This one is it. Ooh, sorry. This part up here, you would just kind of unclip. The door would come open. Finally, these are some little holders, so to carry it. Finally, we have last toy back there. It's like a little basketball hoop. What she would do is she would like pick up the toy, put it in the thing, and then, it's like makes a little noise. So far, she hasn't, I can put the thing inside the cage. Cool. Yeah, so far she hasn't played with anything. I think she might have played with this, because if we get kind of close here, camera decides to focus. There's a little feather right here. So I think she might have actually played with this. Also, when I got home, it was kind of rotated a little bit. So she might actually be playing with that. We have a little, like, almost suspension bridge kind of thing going across here for her to sit on. We have the highest perch. We have this perch, which I don't think she's ever gotten on yet. And then this one, which is actually really close to my bed, which is nice. What are you doing? Oh. Come on, I think she's doing a thing. Isn't she cute? Alright. Yeah, okay, I've already taken 4 minutes talking about my bird. Some people can spend longer. Jane in animations. Okay, that's about it. Until we get anything new, I'm going to keep you guys informed. Oh, are you going to fly? Are you going to fly? If you listen closely, just... Yeah, she does that. It's kind of weird, but we got her yesterday. We got her May 1st. This is May 2nd, Wednesday. Oh, and one last thing. This like little, hold on. Oh yeah. So I can like put this right here, so I can actually get a bit taller view on the bird. But that's not something important right now. So this we can actually like drape over the top of the cage for when she has to go to sleep. And yeah, that's about it. Here's a little final shot of my bird. You want to turn around? Yeah, alright. Hopefully see you tomorrow.